Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Since 2020 is coming to an end, and I know 2020 has not been our year guys due to the whole situation that's happening in the world right now. So I do hope that 2021 brings more happiness, and hopefully the situation that's happening in the world right now does come to an end. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make easy New Year decor at home. Super easy and fun to make. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
To make this first DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a pack of black tissue paper. If you have a black tablecloth, that would work perfectly fine. I just didn't have one, so that's why I'm using a black tissue paper. 2 sheets of sticker paper, color of your own choice, some tape, and of course, don't forget pencil and scissors. I don't have much space on my table, so I'm just gonna do this DIY project on the floor instead.
I'm gonna open it up. Now this is just one sheet. Now one sheet is 20 by 20. If you have a black tablecloth, that can work perfectly fine. I would say I tried looking for a black tablecloth, but I could not find it. So I had to use these 20 sheets of tissue paper instead. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I attach them together by using some tape. And so let me show you guys how I do that. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So pretty much I've made 3 rows. Altogether I have 9 sheets placed on right now. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna start taping from the back so that the tape doesn't show from the front. So let me show you how it...
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so finally I got all the paper sheets connected together and they are all taped up. I really wish I had a tablecloth, that would have been so much easier. But yeah, so this is how it looks like, and now I'm just gonna hang it up onto the wall.
And this is how the backdrop looks like, you guys. Once the hard part is done, next what we're just gonna do is we're gonna go to the easy part, where we're just gonna be making the decoration part that we're gonna be placing onto the backdrop.
Alright, so first we're gonna start off with this sheet of paper. These are actually called the sparkling stickers, and there are 5 sheets of them. So I'm gonna open this up. These are the sheets, and I'm just gonna pretty much freestyle. On this sheet here, I'm gonna write 20. I'm gonna write 20, and then on the other one, I'm gonna write 21. The numbers are bigger. Feel free to use a ruler if you want to. It's up to you. So once the letters have been complete, cut these.
Alright, and this is how it looks like, you guys. Now the best part about this paper sheet is that it is a sticker paper, which means I only have to peel out the back side of the sheet, and that way I can just stick it onto the wall. And here is the finished look. Honestly, it came out really nice, and I ended up adding in some white balloons because I didn't have any golden balloons. So yeah, I think it looks absolutely amazing. To make this next DIY, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a cardboard box piece, tissue paper, color of your own choice, 3 sheets of sticker papers, color of your own choice, some tape, pencil and scissors, 10 popsicle sticks, glue gun, construction paper, again color of your own choice, and permanent markers. Since the cardboard box is too big, I'm just going to place it onto the floor. And next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a pencil and just draw out the frame from the outside and just cut out the center part the middle part of the cardboard box. So let me show you guys. And this is how it looks like once I've drawn out the outside frame. And now next what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna cut out the inside part. Once that's complete, next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab some tissue paper and I'm just gonna start applying it onto the frame just like this. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing 2 or 1 sheets and I'm pretty much just wrapping around the frame so that way it gives me the color of the frame. Instead of painting, I think this is an easier way of just covering up the cardboard. And this is how the frame looks like right now. The black actually made it look really nice. Again, if you want to use another color, you can go ahead and use another color, but once you're done with this, next step is to draw and decorate the frame. So at the bottom here, I'm just gonna write Happy New Year in cursive. I'm gonna be using a gold marker for this. And then I'm just gonna grab the golden sticker paper again and I'm just gonna draw out 2021 on there again. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna cut this up and then I'm just gonna place it onto the frame. Alright, and this is how it looks like. And then on side of that, what I did was I drew out some stars and some circles and I placed it on the frame just like this. And this is how it looks like. Once the photo booth frame has been made, let's not forget about the props with it as well. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I made these 6 beautiful props. Grab 2 popsicle sticks and with one of them just put one on the top so they overlap with each other. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm just gonna use some tape around it so that way they are fixed together. Now to make the actual prop, pretty much what I did was I grabbed a red construction paper and drew out a lip and then used a red marker to make that lip line. And then what I did was I hot glued the lips onto the popsicle stick. For the second prop, I did the same exact thing, but this time I drew a mustache, and what I did was I colored it in with a black marker and I cut that out. And then next what I did was I sticked it onto the popsicle stick, another 2 that I had sticked onto together by taping it up, and this is how it looks like. And then to make the bow tie prop, I pretty much grabbed a purple construction paper and drew out a bow tie. And then once I drew that out with a purple, well, a very light purple marker, what I did was I ended up cutting it out, attached the popsicle sticks, and this is how it looks like. To make this next prop, I pretty much grabbed a blank sheet of paper, I drew out a little bubble cloud and wrote Happy New Year inside. And then next what I did was I ended up cutting it out, placed a construction paper behind it, and did the same exact steps by attaching the 2 popsicle sticks. To make the next prop, pretty much what you're going to need is of course a glittery sticker paper, just like this one. And I'm going to flip over the sheet and I'm just going to draw out the glasses just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them up and also cut the inside circles, and this is how it looks like. And then to make the last prop, I'm going to use the same golden glitter sticker that I have extra and then just draw out 2021 again. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this out, and this is how it looks like. And to finish off, what I did was I ended up grabbing this golden tape, and what I did was I wrapped it around the popsicle sticks for each of the props, so in that way it made it look nice and pretty. And here is the final look. Honestly, the props came out really nice. Of course, they look absolutely beautiful. And of course, the photo booth itself looks amazing. And yeah, this is actually my first time making a photo booth, so I'm actually quite impressed.
That is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys in my next video. For all my video updates, you guys can always follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in the description below. You guys can also follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is also _INSTA.
Today's video shout out goes to Sam Campbell. Shout out to you.
Take care, guys. Stay safe and Happy New Year to you and your family. And also, hopefully 2021 brings more happiness, and hopefully the situation that's happening in the world right now does end up ending in 2021. Till then, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.